Tired of sending the same message to everyone individually? Let's ditch the one-ion and dive into the world of group chats on Messenger for seamless communication. First, tap the Messenger app icon on your phone to launch the application. Make sure you're logged in. Look for the compose icon. It usually looks like a pen and paper or a plus sign in the upper right corner. Tap on it. This is where the magic begins. Now you'll see the two fields. Start typing the names of the people you want to add to your group chat. As you type, Messenger will suggest contacts from your friends list. Tap on each contact to select them and add them to the group. Once you've chosen all your participants, look for the Create Group Chat option. It might be at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap it. Congratulations, you've created your group. But we're not done yet. Let's give this group a name. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group settings menu. Find the edit name option and tap on it. Now, type in a name that's relevant and easy to remember for your group, like family get-together or project team. Tap save or the checkmark to confirm the new name. There you go, your group chat now has a name. Explore the group settings for more customization options, like changing the group photo or muting notifications. Now you can easily share messages, photos, and videos with everyone in your group at once. Happy chatting.